So today, for the first time, we are going to take the tram or the metro, how they call it. Yeah, this is the station. And let's wait for the metro.
I think we should pay here or we're gonna buy the ticket.
Yeah, we should.
We
Oh
don't have,
no,
oh, there.
ticket machine over there.
In 5 minutes.
Okay, and
Yeah. Yeah, that's
for
cool.
2 people.
For two, yeah. Yeah, so it's 100 rupees for two from Jambu to Port Reis.
Okay, great.
Nice. So we're gonna have the train at 11. Change. It was 11:01. Now it's 11:03.
Yeah, okay. So it's
maybe
a few
5
minutes. Yeah. All right.
Our first time in the metro of Mauritius was a great experience. From Jumbo Phoenix to Port Reis, it took us around 45 minutes. If you're not a resident, we advise to buy the single-way ticket that costs around 50 rupees per adult. The busy time is in the morning when people are getting to work and in the hour when school is finished. The metro is a 26-kilometer route from Cupid to the Immigration Square in Port Reis and features 19 stations. The operating hours are from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. The Place Dome is one of the most iconic places of Mauritius. It stretches from the Hotel du Gouvernement all the way up to Port Reis waterfront. The road lined with royal palms leads to the beautiful French colonial structure, the government house that dates back to 738. Also famous by the name Souq des Bicentennial Square, La Place Dome is the place where you can find the statues of some of the great personalities who contributed in one way or the other to the long and rich history of Mauritius. The buildings present in the area also reflect the deep-rooted history. Place Dome and the Government House are counted among the world's known monuments and sites and is a national heritage for Mauritius as well. Lovely fashion. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that for that guy there. You know, when I came to his shop, I just asked him, how much is it? Like, okay, 150 rupees just for you. I said, what? For me? Why for me? You're special, so take it for 150 rupees. I said, okay, thank you. And then he asked me, do you want to make video for me? So I can post you on TikTok or Facebook? I said, yeah, why not? So I just did it.
And you got one for free.
I got this one free.
That's great.
Yeah, that's cool. So guys, welcome to Peraval. He is the patron saint of Mauritius and is credited with performing many miracles during his 23 years in Mauritius. So we're gonna go to the church first and then we're gonna visit the Peraval shrine after. This place is a very precious place in Mauritius. It's Peraval, and here every year on the 9th of September, people walk from all around the island actually like a pilgrimage to come to Pierre Laval, and then there's a lot of people doing prayers and having candles and bringing flowers, and yes, it's a very famous pilgrimage in Mauritius.
Hi guys. So today we are in the north of Mauritius. So as you can see here, nice beautiful beach. So we decided to stop to a nice restaurant.
Yes.
This is called Kaza. So guys, I'm now in the kitchen of the Kaza, and so we'll see how they are cooking the food. Really delicious food. It's really yummy. So let's have a look. So here we already put the salads on the plate. Really tasty. Gentleman here chopping the vegetable forks. I don't know what it is, but it's yummy. So this is called creme brulee. So I know how it tastes. It's yummy, so I will try it later. Come here having dinner or lunch, and the staff are really nice and they're very polite, so I really recommend this place. So now we'll go and check the menu and taste the food and let you know after. So we'll sit here today and let's go and go for a run.
This is the menu, guys. They have plenty of seafood.
Yeah,
They have beef. I think, yeah, they have beef as well.
So what will you take?
I'm thinking of the octopus salad.
Oh yeah.
Maybe the fruit de mer gratin. You know, it's like seafood in a white sauce.
Yeah, that's yummy.
Yeah, I'm thinking of seafood and seafood. No beef, no chicken, nothing else. It's Mauritius, guys, so order seafood always.
That's it.
Merci.
That's it. Merci.
Voilà.
Looks so yummy. So I ordered. Oh, we changed plates.
Yeah.
That's alright. So this is grilled fish, saffron rice with vegetable and salad. And this one is octopus salad. Thank you.
Bon appétit.
This is all fresh, guys. Look at that.
Yeah. And this one is the same thing, salad, but I got prawns instead. And what is this one again? Is that chutney?
That's vegetable.
Vegetable, yeah. Really like it. It's really nice.
Fresh.
It's fresh, crispy. Yeah, the lunch was very nice. The fish was really good. I really like it.
Tasty.
Yes, and the octopus as well. So yeah, it's really nice place here. All the staff are very friendly, and so the welcome was really good. The food is nice. The chef was alright when I went there.
Price is affordable.
Yeah,
And you got a nice view over there.
yeah. If you're coming in Mauritius, don't forget to come here at La Kaza restaurant. So it is situated in Grand-Bay, Mauritius. It is in the north of the island, so don't miss this restaurant. So it's really
Yes, it's highly recommended,
Yeah,
guys. If you
yeah.
want to regret if you come here to have lunch. I'm not sure if they open for dinner.
they're open for
They
dinner
do,
as well. Yeah,
So
yeah. And sometimes you do have people come and sing, play some music at night.
entertainment.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you like our video, please put a thumb up to let us know we're doing well. You can also share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to follow us on Facebook MNY Adventures for more photos. We're also on TikTok sharing our adventures. Thank you for your support. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you. Bye.